Ideal replacement. This door lock knob replacement fits and functions like original equipment. Authentic appearance. Designed to blend seamlessly with the vehicle's original interior finish. Convenient solution. Offers original equipment quality without the hassle of sourcing from the dealership. Quality tested. Has undergone try-on testing to ensure a quality fit. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Missing or damaged knob making it difficult to lock or unlock a door from the inside? Designed to fit like original equipment, this convenient solution easily restores the vehicle's door lock function and interior appearance. This part is compatible with the following vehicles. Before purchasing, enter your vehicle trim in the garage tool to confirm fitment. Top reviews from the United States. 1997 Ford F350 Crew Cab Rear Seats. This product worked for my 1997 Ford F350 Crew Cab. I installed these in the rear seats. These worked despite Amazon Car Checker feature saying they would not fit.